So let us proceed and create a single segment column, and I'll proceed back to the settings dialog and proceed here. Maybe I'll start at the segment and make sure that I have a single segment. I'm going to click OK. So remember, this is what we had. I'm going to uncheck that particular VNAV here. So maybe I'll start at the column there and make sure that I uncheck the link here. So click turn off the linking of the cross-sectional height or the width. And maybe here I can have 400 by 200. That would be a 400 by 200 column. And then let's proceed to the positioning. Here I would link it to the second story here, home plus 2, and have an offset of 0, so that the total height here be, okay, let me choose the first home story plus 1, home plus 1. So the height here is 3000, as you can see. That is what I'm going to have. Then I'll just have a freestanding method of wrapping, and the column will start at home story. So I'm satisfied with the positioning. I will let the edge cuts and references be default. Then I'll proceed back to the segment here. So I'm okay with these settings here, and remember they are the same settings that are repeated here. I'm going to proceed with a rectangular type, and here I just need to choose the material. Let's say I want a reinforced concrete column. That would be the column, and I don't need any model override there. However, the override works the same way we saw with the wall, so you can provide an override. As you can see, I'm just going to turn it off, and here I'm just going to click OK and place it. You just need to click on the drawing space here, so click and it will be placed. Of course, this will depend on the geometry method, and we are going to look at the various geometry methods. So this is a column, and we can view it in 3D. So that is the column, and then I'll proceed back to the settings, and I'm okay with the other setting. I only want to change structure here to be a circular type. So again, you choose the radius that you need to add here. Remember, for a radial column, we just want the cross-sectional width, that is the diameter. You provide it there. Yes, and then I'll just need to click OK. At least if you need an override, you can override the top surface. You can see what we have in this preview. Even you can override both surfaces. Let's try to override with that material, and then you can link them. So click on this link surface, that is the symbol, to link them, such that if I choose any material here, it will be populated with any other surface, or that surface that I choose here will be populated the other overrides. That is what you mean. If you uncheck, it gives you an option to choose different surfaces for your column here. So that is what we mean. The principle is the same across all these elements that we are going to look at. So that is how you can override a surface. Let's just proceed with that, and I'll click OK. Again, here I just need to click on this drawing space to place it, and then proceed to the 3D. Now this is a column with overrides. Yeah, so that is what we have for that column. In this case, that is how we create a single segmented column.